The title is The Zoo. Hello, Inkyo! Inkyo! Hello! There! Kiroku there! Hello! Oh, Kiroku. Oh, come on in. Kiroku, I was talking to your mother. She's very disappointed in you. You out fooling around all day. Don't you think it's time for you to get a job? I know how lazy I am. I want to work. I really want to work. I just can't seem to be able to hold on to a job. Look, I think I found just a job for you. It's at a zoo. Zoo? What kind of job do they have at the zoo? Let me tell you. A couple of days ago, the zoo's favorite animal, tiger, died. The staff member, they're looking for someone to put on the tiger's coat, authentic tiger's uniform, wear a tiger mask, and walk around in the tiger's cage, pretend to be the tiger. What are you talking about? Put on a tiger's coat, authentic one, and wear a tiger mask? Walk around in the tiger's cage? Do I need to roar? Like, wow, something? I can't do such kind of job. Oh, why not? It's perfect for you. Inkyo, I can't wake up early in the morning. I'm not good at early in the morning. And no problem. Just woke up at 11 a.m. The zoo opens at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Inkyo, I don't have any power. I can't do any job that requires strength. No problem. Just walk around in the cage all day. Inkyo, I'm not that smart. I can't do any job that requires thinking. No problem. Just walk around in the cage all day. Inkyo, I'm not good at talking to people. Kiroku. Tigers never talk. And you get $100 a day. It's perfect for you. How about it? $100 a day. Oh, I'm gonna try. Wow. 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 Put on a tiger's coat, walk around in the tiger's cage, and sometimes roar, pretend to be the tiger. Wow, perfect job. A lot of people coming to the zoo. Oh, looks like tigers are very popular with children. Oh, a lot of kids over there. The kid over there, he's holding donuts. I love donuts. I love donuts. I love donuts. I'm so hungry. I haven't had anything since breakfast. Okay, let's ask him. Give me the donuts. Give me the donuts. the tiger over there, he just said, give me the donuts. What are you talking about? Tigers don't eat donuts. They eat meat. I know, but he just said, give me the donuts. Give me the donuts. I heard him. You want these donuts? Okay, here we go. Mom, the tiger just stood up and grabbed the donuts with his hand. Oh, tiger mask. Mom, another face in the face. He must be an alien or something. Whoa. So delicious. I need to thank him. Thank you. Suddenly a lot of people coming around this cage. And there's an MC with a microphone, and he got a tuxedo on. Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zoo. Today's special event. Wild animal fight! In this cage we have a lion, the king of savannah. And in this cage we have a tiger, the deadly predator in jungle. Who will win? Who will die? So open the gate between the cages. Fight start! Wait a minute, nobody told me about this. Wait a minute, nobody told me about this. Oh, that's why you get $100 a day. Whoa, they brought the lion in. Oh, it looks so scary. I don't want to die. Let's get out of here. Oh, the door is locked. Hey, somebody help me. I'm not a tiger. Somebody help me. The lion slowly walks up to the tiger. Nush, nush, nush. And opens his giant mouth and says, no problem. Just walk around in this cage for a while. I am Inkyo. ありがとうございます。